Body found of teenager washed away in St. Mary. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The body of Kristen Steele, the woman who was swept away in the Wogwater River in Castleton, St. Mary on Thursday, has been located. The 19-year-old's body was found on Saturday in an area known as Flint River in Castleton, approximately 6 miles from where she was washed away after the river became extremely rough during a heavy downpour of rainfall. The search remains ongoing for another St. Andrew resident, Omar Sykers, who had attempted to save Steele but was also washed away. The police, family members, and residents are assisting in the search. Steele and Sykers were part of a group enjoying recreational activities in the river on Thursday when heavy rainfall elsewhere in the area caused the water to surge, washing the woman away around 3 p.m. Sykers reportedly tried to save the woman from the flood waters, but he too was washed away by the murky waters. Inclement weather in the parish was affecting the progress of the search following the missing person since Friday. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast.